gets there first. Well, you're a little quicker than me, but you weren't going anywhere though.
That thing's fast.
This is just stock.
Say hi.
Hey.
Yeah, that's fast as GTI race. So yeah, I see you got some stuff done to it.
Yeah.
What'd you do?
It all in the garage though.
Hey man, that's the best way. Saving money.
Yeah, just a couple of hair dryers up front.
That'll work. Well, it's always a good thing to race to see where you're at, you know? Because these things don't change, they stay the same.
Yeah.
You know, unless someone does something to it.
For sure.
But I'm about to get rid of this and get the wide body.
Nice.
Yeah. So,
nice, man.
yeah.
That's a beast. That's a hell of a machine.
I like it. I can't complain. Have a good one, buddy. All right.